Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Word. Dark mode not only gives your eyes a much-needed break, but it also adds a sleek and modern look to your Microsoft Word interface. So, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Please ensure that your Microsoft Word is updated as some older versions don't support dark mode. Now you should be on the home screen with options for a blank document, new from template, etc. On the bottom left corner of the window, click on the More and select Account option. This will take you to the Account Information screen. Under the Office Theme section, you will find a drop-down menu with options. Let's click on it. You will see three options: colorful, dark gray, and black. To enable dark mode, click on black. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled the dark mode in Microsoft Word. Now you should see the changes applied. That's how simple it is to switch to dark mode in Microsoft Word. It'll provide a comfortable reading and writing experience, especially if you typically use this application during the afternoon or evening. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.